like some kind of game to you. It's not to me.
DK.
Change it all with the push of a button. Thought it was something, but in the end it's just nothing. Playing games that I'm not accustomed, with no repercussion. Man, I'm really on to something. Thanks to you, I'm up and now I'm jumping. Can't fall the flow cause I'm high and I'm mumbling. Smoking fruity shit, guava berry watermelon. Where the world goes, hell is really no telling. So fuck the world, I'm my own dwelling. You could offer anything and I'm never selling. You got one life, live it like you created heaven. Hell, like you created hell. If you know you a demon, do your thing, I wish you well. Lot of different ways to get a different clientele. You ain't gotta tell me, I get the ways, I know the spells. And the shit that goes into this. I've been fucked up, stupid, acting reckless. I've been down to the point I really tried to end this. And it's not like it was one time, that shit was endless. I'm still weak, but I love myself and I know that I'm precious. And then most of you are so fake and that shit probably makes you jealous. I love my life, I love my girl and any true presence. I'm on this earth to spread art and a positive message. Face to real you and I swear there'll be blessings. Then just push forward every day and learn the lessons. Play your part, keep it real and quit the stressing. You create your own problems and that's why they never